Hi guys, I want to tell you a story about this wonderful design we have here. This design was one of the visions of the one-day chaplain, to use this as a medium for Bowen University students to take their images right here and look back to them as memories for a lifetime. When I took up this project, I didn't know I was going to face challenge. I didn't know the size was going to be this long or this wide. When I got the measurements, I was so shocked that, oh wow, this is a massive design. How am I going to put through these images there? Which images am I even going to use for this? Then it got to me. The Ayabami, use images that tell a story about Bowen University. Bowen University, how we've gotten from where we were before to now, the impacts that we've made, and how we are right now. The images used there tell a story about each and every one of us and how Bowen University has impacted us. I want to say thank you to everyone that was involved in this project, and thank you to you for taking your pictures here, and I hope you'll be able to look back on them as memories for a lifetime. Have a wonderful time, and God bless you.